Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Wednesday, September 10th. Here are today's top headlines. Northstar Clean Technologies has announced that its Calgary facility has successfully produced high-quality solid asphalt pellets by reprocessing end-of-life tear-off shingles, marking a major milestone in its recycling operations. This achievement builds on the company's earlier success in producing liquid asphalt from manufacturing waste shingles, both of which help divert materials from landfills and create new market opportunities. MemorialCare has introduced Intuitive's Vinci 5 surgical system across its hospitals, becoming one of the first health systems in Southern California to adopt this advanced robotic technology. The system provides surgeons with enhanced precision, control, and real-time digital integration, reinforcing MemorialCare's commitment to innovation and improved patient outcomes. Eco-Wave Power Global has launched the first U.S. onshore wave energy project at the Port of Los Angeles, marking a historic milestone for renewable energy in the country. The demonstration site uses floaters to harness wave motion for electricity, laying the groundwork for future commercial-scale deployment and positioning the company as a leader in the U.S. wave energy sector. XTI Aerospace has completed initial flight operations for its Sparrow and Kestrel subscale aircraft, marking key progress toward its full-scale Trifan 600 demonstrator. The successful tests validated aerodynamic performance and stability, reducing development risk and keeping the program on track for future milestones.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.